Open up Visual Studio Code. Open your working directory. I will create a test file, test.cpp. Hit enter, Ctrl V. I will close this document. We are going to use math symbols in Visual Studio Code. To do that, your file encoding type should be UTF-8 with a BOM. If your file encoding is not UTF-8 with a BOM, then select this button, Settings, search for Encoding. In the file encoding, make sure you select UTF-8 with a BOM. Then you can save. Now close it. To use math symbol, we have to install extension. Here, Unicode. You can find Unicode LaTex. Install. After installation, you can close it. Ctrl V. To use math symbol, Ctrl Shift P. Unicode. Insert math symbol. Then you can insert, for example, 5. But this way of inserting math symbol is very tedious. Instead, Ctrl Shift P, Unicode. You can find Replace LaTeX. Select this button. We can set key binding. Click this button. Shift Alt F. When you selected your key, you should not have warning message here. Then hit enter. Now you can close it. For example, /phi, then Shift Alt Ctrl F. Then it converts to phi. /c dot. Shift Alt F7. Then R/hat to Shift Alt F7. This way you can insert math symbol. Or /int Shift Alt F7. Then this is integration symbol. X/2. Then Shift Alt F7. dx /o int Shift Alt F7 x Shift underscore 2 Shift Alt F7 dx. This way you can insert math symbol. Instead of inserting symbol one by one, you can also do this. /i int 5x /hat3 plus 1 over x /hat2 plus, for example, 2 dx. Then Shift Alt F7. Then it converts all LaTeX symbols into Unicode. If you don't like your key combination, then Ctrl Shift P, Unicode. Replace LaTeX. Click this button. Click this button. You can always change your key combination